a great choice today with the 2019 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, compass, rear window defroster, security system, fog lights, electronic stability control, brake assist, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console, remote keyless entry, sport appearance package. Your new ride is just a phone call away.